Today we want to present you a new small ride-on sweeper, the KM1960R Advanced. The machine can be used for indoor and outdoor application with different drive options: battery, petrol or LPG. The easy operation button combines all sweeping functions in only one button for an easy understanding of the machine and a direct start for the user. Position 1, transport mode. Position 2, sweeping with main roller brush. Position 3, sweeping with main roller brush and side brush for corners and edges. The color coding simplifies the application. Yellow for operation and gray for service and maintenance. The automatic choke on the petrol version guarantees best starting behavior. With a 6-liter petrol tank capacity, long cleaning tasks can be done. The highlight of the machine is the new filter cleaning system TACT. It is a fully automatic and permanent running system for uninterrupted, dust-free working. Thereby, the filter element is cleaned by an impulse of compressed air in a predefined time cycle. Due to the permanent and highly effective filter cleaning, a smaller filter element can be used. This reduces the life cycle cost of the filter and eases the handling and the access to the nano-coated polyester filter. Correct charge and sufficient energy reserves. The battery version has an onboard charger for location-independent charging. The new retractable side brush avoids damages in case of impacts during working with the machine. There are 2 dirt hoppers on the machine, which have together a volume of 60 liters. One hopper is on the left side, the other hopper is on the right side, for easy emptying even in case of heavy dirt. There are different roller brushes and side brushes available, according to the dirt and the floor, in indoor and outdoor application. The yellow and black colored standard roller brush for normal use. The white colored hard roller brush for stubborn dirt. The natural fiber soft roller brush for dusty areas. Or the black colored anti-static roller brush for cleaning on carpets. For cleaning wide carpeted areas or even artificial turf without granules, there are specific optional kits available. For example, the carpet kit, including an anti-static roller brush, an adjustable fixation of the roller brush and the required fluff filter. With an open hood, there is a good access to all service-relevant components. Different options increase the productivity and the safety for the driver and the environment, for example, the warning beacon. For cleaning in wet conditions, there is a bypass easy to achieve from the driver's position. The new home-based system allows to carry additional equipment, like for example a broom on the back of the machine for cleaning edges or narrow spaces, a litter picker, or a box on the back of the machine. Little innovations are leading to big advantages for an easy and comfortable way to fulfill your cleaning tasks.